So the first one I have for you today is the tomato, the Rodade tomato. It is a determinate variety, which means it is short and bushy. It also doesn't need to be pruned much, unlike an indeterminate variety, which you would prune a lot. The heavy producer and doesn't have much seeds in, which means it is fleshy. So it will be good for making sauces. Next one we have is the Zamastar. It is a hybrid. It is drought tolerant and it is a high producer. The kernel is white, unlike the sweet corn, which is yellow, and the maturity date is around 90 days to 110 days. The third one we have is the Spunspeck or cantaloupe. It is drought tolerant, but if you do want sweet cantaloupe, you have to water it frequently. The maturity dates for Spunspeck are 80 to 90 days, and it is an heirloom variety, so you can save the seeds and it will grow true to type. Fourth one I have for you today is marigolds, French marigolds. It is a great pest repellent and it looks beautiful too. French marigolds are short and bushy and they repel aphids, whiteflies, and nematodes, which they also attract pollinators to the garden like bees and butterflies. So plant some marigolds. They are good for the garden. They're also good for ornamental use. So if you don't have a garden and you just want flowers, beautiful flowers, marigolds, they are nice.